So hi everyone, my name is Ravinder Singh Rathod and today I have some students with me. So we all are gonna discuss recent policy. You know, the government recently has changed the age of marriage. At what age the girl should get married. So earlier it used to be 18 and now it has been changed into 21. So we are here to discuss whether it is a right age or whether this decision is right or not. So right now I'm just gonna pass the mic to Javed and we all will try to know what he thinks.
Good morning, all of you. This is Javed Saqib, and I would like to say that according to me, 18-year-old is the best age for girls' marriage. But recently, our government has decided and government has announced for girls' marriage, 21 age should be compulsory for girls' marriage. And government said because of education and because of graduation. But I think, sir, maturity is first depend on marriage, sir. But we can say that mature people get married after 21 year. But I think government should not force poor people to get married after 21.
Hello everyone, this is Abhay Singh. I'm just we have topic is that what is the right age for the girls for the marriage. So in my perception, government took the right decisions, and for it I think Javed is totally wrong. If we are just talking about the maturity, he is talking about the maturity. So maturity, I think according to me, in the 21 to 25 girls always gain in this age. So I don't agree with Javed.
Actually, I agree with Abhay. Earlier, the women used to be mature, you know, till the 18. But now the time has changed. We are not provided the nutritions, you know, in time, because earlier the women used to have the nutrition because they used to get everything pure, and right now the everything has been adulterated. You know, adulterate whenever actually we purchase the things from the market, so the things are adulterated in the market. So that's why we are not able to take the nutrition, and we are not able to make ourselves physically fit till the age of 18. So sir, I think the government has if the government has taken this decision, so I think it is a right decision. And as he was saying that it depends on the family, you know, when their child will get married. But when we go to a village side, so where, you know, the child marriage is prevalent, and we will have the impact of this thing in coming time.
Hello friends, I hope you all are good. So my friend Ravinder said that at the age of 18, the girls, or particularly not girls, all the adult are not able to take a healthy decision because they are not physically healthy.
Yeah.
They have malnutritions. So these are the kind of things. But in my perception, I think this phenomena will not impact a lot on the society, because around 21 the male and the female get married. Obviously it happens, and after the act it will happen normally. So at the age of 18 the girls get adult and the boys also. But the government decided to get married for the males is 21, and now it's also for the girls is 21. So this will not impact a lot in the future, because all the mentality of our society is around like everyone gets married in the age of 24, 25, and lastly 30. So that's all the things.
According to me, in the 18 years, if any girls just pass in all classes, so he just passed his 12th class, and government they give us 3 years more for the graduations. And most of the parents, they are not allowed to send to them for college, and for they just want to marriage for the girls. So and that time they are not prepared the any marriage and take the all responsibility, and say they are not ready for the become a mother, and it's also effect on their healthy and mentally levels.
So I agree with Abhay. He has brought good points. Actually, I wanna just continue whatever he has said. So in my perception, I think it is a right decision. He was saying that the girls are not able to go to schools because college, actually, because if they are get married early. This is a this is a perception in the society that a girl should get married till the 18, till she turns 18. So this is not a right thing. Actually, she has a right to get the education in a proper way, and there are so many colleges. So that's why the girl should take the further education, and the getting education can be the turning point in a girl's life. So that's why I would say that this is a right decision.
Hello guys, this is Monica, and today our topic is what is the right age for women's 18 or 21. So in my opinion, 21 is the right age for women's because they can capable for take their self decision. I think at the age of 18 the girls are not mature to become a mother. So I think 21 is the right age for marriage.
Hello everyone, myself Harshita, and today I am totally favor in the recently topic that has been decided by the government. What is the right age for girls' marriage? So according to me, the right age for the girls' marriage is 21, because at the age of 18, girls are not mature to take their decisions, and all the girls wanna be a something in her life to fulfill their demands at her own level, but the family doesn't supports, because the family marriage their children at the age of 18, and we faces most of the cases like domestic violence, divorce, etc. So according to me, the age of 21 is better for the age of girls. At the age of 21, the girls are fully mature to take their decisions. Thank you guys.
Yeah, actually, I agree with the Harshita because he told about the educated woman. So, educated woman takes her decisions by herself. So, if you are just talking about then our population control, then the educated woman, they can decision for like how many child she wants. But if you are just talking about the uneducated, so she has a pressure of or the father-in-law's member, and she do whatever the father-in-law members wants. So I just totally agree with the Harshita.
Friends, as Monica said that a girl is not as mature as she can handle after a marriage life. Yeah. So I think the girl is at the age of 18, she is mature as physically for a birth of a child, but she is not mature to handle after marriage life, because she is not mentally mature. Physically she is mature. So the government decided the age of marriage is 21. So the society will change their mentality to get married of a girl, because they think the girl is a burden to pass her to the other family. So friends, I think at the age of 18 they are not able to do something in their life, because this thing will give them time to grow, to mature, and to do something in their life, like business and education area. And after the age of 21, 22, they are settled in their life, and they can get married. So this will give them great opportunities and time to grow more.
I think they will get some time to do study and for making their career. And government has taken this decision that girls and boys are get some equal opportunities.
And my last line is that in our India and many areas there is no importance of the girls. So if it act will be passed, so they will be take, I think, respect whatever they deserve. So thank you.
So guys, we all have brought our points, and finally I would say that I think this decision will bring the equality in the society. The girls are discriminated because of the age, because in society the discrimination is done between a boy and a girl. So I think this decision will definitely bring a change and will definitely bring equality, in the boy or a girl. So and this decision is in my opinion, I personally feel that this decision taken by the government is a very good, and I hope that it will bring some positive changes in the society. And finally, we all have put our points forward, so I would say please like, share and subscribe this channel and keep watching the videos.